Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I am working on a 24 by 24 inch previously scraped canvas. Let's hope third time's a charm. I am working with a very specific color palette. In fact, it's the color palette that I challenged my Patreon group. I found it on Google, doing a Google image search for fall color palettes, and I love it. And it turns out it's a challenge for me as well. So I have changed up a couple of things from my previous attempts, which I'm not even going to bother to show you because yuck. My problem was I don't like these two colors together. This dark sap green and this is mostly Arteza Bordeaux red. I've darkened it up a little bit. This is my favorite red and this is my favorite green, but I don't like them together. So I'm going to change up my plan. I'm going to keep them a little more separate than I had in the previous instances. Then I also have this nice olive color. It's olive green light, and I've added some bone black from Golden Fluid Acrylics. This is primary yellow from Amsterdam, and I've added some quinacridone nickel gold to it to give a little more of a warmth to it, like a deeper tone. And this is also quinacridone nickel gold, but I used some Sargent Art copper in with it. It's a little darker now than it will be once it mixes with the white that I'm about to use. And again, that's the Bordeaux red, and I've added some of the bone black into that as well. I have this on the side. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. This is my table scrapings from my last pour strained, and then I've added some Vallejo Pearl Medium to it. And then for the rest of my base coat, I am using Artist Loft Soft Body White and Vallejo Pearl Medium. And you can see all of my consistencies. It just barely leaves a tiny, tiny little mound and then disappears. So it's a nice thin consistency, but not the consistency if I want a lot of pearls. This should give me some pearls, but not a lot. We shall see. I'm going to now, what do I want to do? I'm going to put down, I think I'm going to start with my yellow. What I decided, one of the problems I was finding is that normally I like to have instant gratification. And so I tend to put all of my paint on the canvas and then blow it out. But I think what I actually need to do this time is to layer these colors a little more intentionally and blow out some sections, or blow it out in sections rather than all at once. And we're going to clip like this here. Maybe a little more there, okay. And maybe just a little bit right here. There we go. All right. Now let's put on some of our white in front of that. Ooh, I'm so impatient. I want to rush this process and just pour it on here, but I want it to be a lot more intentional. Cindy Art Studio does this a lot, where she puts the colors down one at a time and very carefully blows it out. And I love her thing. She uses, instead of the spatula like I'm doing here, she uses a spoon. So she's really controlling how much is going down. And I do have this up on my spinner, but I am not planning on spinning this out. I just want to be able to turn the canvas easily so I can blow out different sections at a time from different angles. Okay, I'm just going to continue like this, and I will come back to you when I'm done.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Out there alone on the highway. She had a broken wing, she's trying to hide. And I was much too old to act on the feeling. But then again, I ain't never had someone to hold. I wrote songs for a mockingbird. Take them all, even I know that she heard.
I guess third time really is the charm. I think this turned out better than I expected, so I'm very happy with this. I'm still not a fan of that dark red with the dark green, but I managed to keep them playing nicely together. I got some beautiful pearls, but I also managed to keep lots of color on the canvas. And I love that section right there. The two different colors of the green with the yellow. Ooh, pretty. Really like that. This does feel like fall to me. And, I wasn't using enough white in my previous pours either. So I just wasn't getting enough contrast and the colors were mudding together. Just keep going though. Change up your plan a little bit. Switch out a color if you need to. You know, go watch another video and then try again. That's what I do. Thank you very much for watching. So coming up next are a couple of videos from my Patreons who also have YouTube channels, and they have done this challenge also. So I'm sure they're very excited to show you what they've come up with. And then I also have some Patreon members who don't have YouTube channels, so their photos are following this right now. Stick around for those because I'm sure they're all beautiful too. And thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.